Your data infrastructure holds the keys to production-grade AI workflows, but connecting your environment to Claude is a major bottleneck. When you rely on manual integration pipelines, setup stall and background processes break down. Standard MCP configurations fail at scale because they force you to manage messy JSON files, handle custom middleware, and constantly debug broken environment paths. This module fixes this by delivering a zero-config bridge directly into your chat workspace. The setup takes exactly 4 clicks. Inside Claude, open custom, click add, paste your URL, and hit save. Instead of a blind API key handoff, this instantly triggers an enterprise-grade OAuth handshake. A secure authorization page spins up, allowing you to grant granular, token-based access without ever exposing your root credentials to the client. Once authenticated, the bridge locks in. The connection initializes instantly, data streams smoothly. Claude maps your environment parameters without leaking API keys or lagging your network. This deployment cuts integration overhead from an hour of infrastructure tinkering down to less than 10 seconds. It completely removes the custom coding layer to beat any manual configuration on the market. Stop wrestling with local config files and start prompting your live architecture. Paste your URL, click save, and run your data ecosystem today.